We're here doing the first unlock already. I just made it down. And it's cold still, but we about to get it done. Come through. They taking advantages of these deals, man. They taking advantage. Where you come from, bro?
Santa Barbara, shit.
Santa Barbara, shit.
4 in the morning to get out here.
4 in the morning to come get this deal. 4 in the morning to come get these deals.
Look at him. There you go. There you go. Ain't even 8:30 yet.
I'm just gonna stop and wait.
Look, they pulling up. Look, they pulling up. They trying to get them down. Oh, damn. Look, another G-Body. Oh. Oh, they pulling up. They coming to get these deals. Oh. They pulling up, damn it. Hold on, boy. Trying to turn into a G-Body channel. These G-Body guys love me. Start calling myself G-Body Guru. Somebody left that in the comments a little while ago. They said, "Oh, you the guru of G-Bodies." I'm just me, baby. I'm just me, baby. But yeah, my boy Raul built this himself. 87 Ttop Monte Carlo on them rock things. And it's a 5.3. 460? Yeah, 5.3 460. Got long tube headers on that little daddy. And he basically came for a tune real quick. My other dog came back because he wanted to get a little bit extra. He was having some issues with like some of the injectors wasn't posting right and blah blah blah. So we're gonna get all that stuff fixed and worked out. But yeah, man, we're gonna get it done. We're gonna get it worked out. Get this one going. Put that on it, and y'all stay tuned. About to get hit by a car right on the one side of the street. Yeah, man. So she about to finish up. I already told my boy Raul he got to clean her up a little bit. He got the harness right here just so that he can make sure everything is running good, running right. So with that being said, I'm putting the last of that on it right now, and then we're gonna send it down the road and see what's cracking with it. See what I need to adjust. But so far so good. 5.360E, long tube headers. And that's pretty much it, man. Drive-by wire setup, man. Wait for this fuel pump to kick on, and then we about to hit the road and have a little bit of fun. You got the rims on that thing. You good? This street sweeping lady cleaning up, dog. Hey, bro, she about to get everybody right there. Go look at her. Her ass about to clean up with everybody. To the right one? No? Yeah. You about to die. Alright, just driving normal first. Yeah, y'all 2 cents is working now too. Yeah, working? Yeah, they read it. Say you in second gear. You said you're in third gear now. Yeah, that guy is moving that gear right there. Yeah. Hunter here? Yeah. No. Go straight, go to 54. Turn right on the western? Yeah. That's ain't giving up all the information. They say, okay, western and 54th, you gotta be somewhere closer to here. I think it's probably just a torque converter, bro. Did you get a brand new torque converter or use one? Give me a new one. It's probably just a torque converter. Slam it over now. Slow down. That shit didn't hurt you, didn't get hurt you? Yeah, I was like, this shit not gonna stop, bro. That shit make it hurt you? No? The fuck? Split second of silence. Dude, that shit made my fucking heart jump, bro. God damn. I don't know why. Good looking, bro. Get in that thing. That shit is hard, man. Huh? You're in third gear right now, though. I get it. No, go all the way out. Go all the way out? Yeah, go to, we'll make a right and go make another right on 54. Alright, so we got it tuned, but the problem is now is it's having some little bit of training issues. I don't think it's this transmission because it's got to be built, but I think it's the torque converter that might be tripping on it. Y'all see this shot, man? Look at that. That's bullshit, man. Look at my baggage. Stupid. Look at all these in here. Like, well, ain't got no more, but see. But look, you see? Your car been here how long? What? A couple minutes? Yeah. That's what you're talking about, bro. It's trying to shake. I mean, well, shit is already fucked up. You wanna get a burnout or what? I mean, fuck it. You might as well. Don't lose it though.
That's fine if I go in.
Don't hit Debo. Don't hit Debo. Oh, you in some water right now too. That's even better. That boy ought to get his pound on. Oh, he should limit his flip. Yeah, it's limited flip, exactly. Shut up, Bert. That motherfucker getting cracking, dog.
That shit went policy, nigga. That's the
It was starting to catch, yeah. He need to get a positive in, bro. This motherfucker cracking.
That shit would not do that back then.
He wouldn't do it.
It would have burned down. Even if his torque converter was fucked up, that's just so.
Bro, once you get the positive on this shit, you can be good, bro. It was catching a little bit. It was catching on and off. It was catching. But yeah, for sure, this shit out. Get a positive in it, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna get
that shit straight.
Yeah, that shit.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I gotta get an 8, but I'm gonna get my torque converter first too.
Yeah, fuck it. You already got some horsepower. I never gave you none though either, dog. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, got that.
I never gave you a little extra 50 horses, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I think the whole box is
Let me give you a little extra 50 horsepower, you know what I'm saying?
Hopefully, I might just slap this on the torque converter.
Oh, right. I gotta pass out them 50 horsepower stickers. Now I gotta check his shit out real quick. See what he got going on with his, and we about to make this shit crack. We got a little different cap. I told him to swap out his oil. Got some thin oil on there. I put additives in there. Just hold on quick, bro. Channel turn. Cutting up the damn flow, making the legend of Swap great again, baby. I love my kids. It's time for me to move on. Police gonna find my black ass. Cutting up the flow, baby. Come get these deals, man. You get a tune. You get a tune. Everybody get a tune on the deal special though. Oh, we.